Okay, we're going to try make a cake in this. My oven is broken. My normal oven is broken. I need one to make a cake. Now I'll just grab the manual, and in the back of the manual is a recipe for Victoria sponge cake. So let's give it a go. So what do I need? 8-inch sandwich tins. Preheat the oven. Cream marble spoon. 1 tin on the upper shelf and 1 tin on the lower shelf. So I need to dig out the shelves. Found them. I've got a dog chasing a fly at the moment. Now, do they go in that way or that way? I want one upper. Come on. Yep. One lower. There we go. Shells in the microwave. And I'm going to preheat oven to convection 180. I want to know if I get this right before I even try and attempt it. $180. What are you doing? Make sure there's nothing in the oven for it to have any problems with. That's preheating. And this is why I did it clean and empty it first. It don't like that. That means yeah, it's still smoky. No, I don't like that. Ugh. No, it's not been used on. Oh shit. There might be all the muck up there. Oh. Right, happy now. Found out what was going off with the cooker. It was just burning off excess fat and food stuff that had gotten to the top of it. Now it's not smoking anymore. And we are going to get on with making the cake. So first things first. 175 grams margarine. Just put that in. 175 grams keystone sugar, which my dad has over here. Don't put the lid in front of the camera screen. So unit on. 175 grams caster sugar. 160, 110, 125. There we go. I'll settle with that. So that's 176. Yes, Henry Bun. Yes, Henry. Are you still nibbling away, Henry? There we go. There's that one. We'll beat these together. That's on. Which way does this go? Take the handle off, then I can do it. Remind me to not break my machine. Right, it goes this way then. That's the way. This one's sitting, isn't it? Yeah, hang on. There we go. Yeah, there's that thing here at the bottom. That's why it's stopping me. That's proof that I have not used this machine for a while. Oh. Right, and that popped out when I was trying to get it on. Let's go in. Should be able to do that. And then that. There we go. Let's get to sugar. Oh, 3 eggs, medium beaten. I knew we bought eggs. I knew it, we bought eggs. Someone hid the eggs from me. I can do it one-handed. Let's do this. I'm getting an egg. There we go. 3 eggs in a bowl and egg yolk over my tablet. Clean that off before it gets any. Right, time is up. Let's test the cakes. Oven glove. An oven glove would be handy, wouldn't it? And now I found out that I was scrapping it. Okay. Let's test the top one. Take it down. Stabby, stabby, nice and clean. Stabby, stabby. Next on. Come here. It'll still be warm. There we go. Shove it back in. Shut my door. I'll pick up my skewer. Stabby, stabby. Nice and clean. Sweet. So yeah, let's flip the camera. If I can. Put something heavy on so it didn't fall off. Let's get someone I can manage a bit better. Bit thin, but it's cooked. It's thin, but it's cooked. That's all I care about. Let's try the other one. It doesn't bother me if it's thin. Let's do a little prep work, so just make sure there's nothing causing it to rip. So let's let them cool, and hopefully no doggies on them. Yeah. Right, I think that was a success.